No, please stay. I'm happy for the company. Raymond Reddington, awaiting trial.
Long time. It's gonna be good having you here.
It's not your lunch meat.
No, I'm cool with a mustard sandwich, man. Just leave it. Go.
Easy.
You must not have heard what I said. I said that wasn't your lunch meat. He's just a kid. Maybe you can cut him some slack.
Yo, this ain't Mexico City. You got no muscle, no weapon.
If you so much as look at Vontae's pimento loaf again, you're gonna end up with your teeth sticking out the back of your head and sipping your dinner through a bendy straw.
Enough!
So far, so good.